Welcome to our deep dive into Virtuals Protocol. In this video, we'll cover everything from what Virtuals Protocol is, how it works, its journey from Base to Solana, its history with Bittensor, launching agents, how it differs from pump.fun, showcase leading agents, discuss key ecosystem categories, explore the recent Buyback program, and touch on the community support for this ecosystem. Stick around to uncover the potential of Virtuals Protocol. What is Virtuals Protocol? Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring Virtuals Protocol, a fascinating platform in the crypto space designed to revolutionize virtual interactions through AI and Metaverse technology. It's a decentralized platform that integrates AI with virtual environments, aiming to create a unique ecosystem for virtual interactions. Think of it as a playground where AI agents can interact in a virtual space, enhancing gaming, productivity, and more. Examples of AI agents. 1. AI companions in gaming. Imagine playing a game where your companion, like an AI agent named Luna from Virtuals Protocol, not only follows you, but also learns from your gameplay, offering personalized tips or even changing the storyline based on your decisions. 2. Virtual assistants for productivity. In virtual workspaces, AI agents can manage your schedule, prioritize tasks, or even simulate meetings with AI avatars of colleagues who are unavailable, making remote work more interactive. 3. Educational AI agents. These agents can act as tutors, adapting to the learning pace of students, providing real-time feedback, and making education personalized and engaging. Stay tuned to find out how Virtuals Protocol functions and what makes it tick. How does Virtuals Protocol work? Now, let's dive into the mechanics. Virtuals Protocol operates by allowing users to create, deploy, and manage AI agents. These agents are essentially autonomous entities that can perform tasks within the Virtuals ecosystem. Agent creation process. Users can go to fun.virtuals.io to create an agent. You need $100 virtual tokens to start, and then your agent gets deployed on a bonding curve where people can buy or sell the agent's tokens. Here is a step-by-step guide for creating and enhancing AI agents. 1. Users. Start by defining the agent's basic parameters like appearance, voice, and basic behavior through an intuitive interface on the Virtuals Protocol platform. 2. Adding features. Developers can modularly add capabilities such as language understanding, object interaction in 3D spaces, or decision-making algorithms. This is done via the GAME framework, Generative Autonomous Multimodal Entities, which offers plug-and-play modules for different functionalities. 3. Token integration. Each agent is associated with a unique token. When users interact with an agent, they essentially engage with the token, which can appreciate in value based on the agent's popularity or functionality. Owners can stake these tokens to earn rewards or use them for governance within the ecosystem. Next up, we'll explore Virtuals expansion from Base to Solana. Don't go anywhere. From Base to Solana, the journey. Virtuals Protocol started on the Ethereum Layer 2 network, Base, and has recently expanded to Solana to leverage its speed and scalability. This move aims to drive innovation across multiple ecosystems, enhancing Virtuals' reach and capabilities. Expansion details. Virtuals now supports features like a strategic Solana reserve where a portion of trading fees is converted to SOL, supporting agents and creators. Economic impact on Base. On Base, Virtuals Protocol saw significant traction with its initial agent offering, IAO, where tokens like Virtual sold out rapidly, leading to a surge in market cap and user engagement. The protocol's revenue was driven by transaction fees, agent usage fees, and token sales, which were reinvested into further development and marketing. Transition to Solana. Virtuals Protocol benefited from lower transaction costs and faster processing times, allowing for more complex interactions and a broader user base. Here, the revenue stream included staking rewards for the game token, which powers the ecosystem's infrastructure, alongside traditional transaction fees. Curious about Virtual's history with Bittensor? Keep watching. History with Bittensor Ecosystem. Before we move to how agents are launched, let's look at Virtual's history with Bittensor, an AI-focused blockchain. Virtuals has been part of this ecosystem, enhancing AI interactions through decentralized platforms. Bittensor integration. Virtuals and Bittensor share a vision of AI integration, with Virtuals providing a platform where Bittensor's AI can be practically applied in virtual environments. Emergence as a competitor. Virtual's protocol was born out of the need for more interactive and autonomous AI agents, differing from Bittensor's focus on decentralized AI mining. Virtuals aimed at creating a system where AI agents could be co-owned and operated across platforms, not just mining data. Philosophical differences. Approach. While Bittensor emphasizes AI computation power through mining, Virtuals focuses on the agent's autonomy, interaction, and utility in real-world applications like gaming and education. Philosophy. Virtual's philosophy is about democratizing AI utility, making it accessible and economically viable for individuals to contribute to and benefit from AI development, contrasting with Bittensor's more infrastructure-centric approach. Ready to learn how to launch an agent on Virtuals? The next segment is for you, launching agents and ecosystem dynamics. Launching an agent on Virtuals involves a bonding process where liquidity is provided before the agent goes live. This process ensures that only serious projects with decent liquidity can thrive, distinguishing Virtuals from platforms like pump.fun. Agent launch. After bonding, agents become tradable, enhancing the ecosystem's depth. Categories like sentience for sentient AI, productivity, and entertainment highlight the diversity of agents. We're discussing the recent Buyback program next. You won't want to miss this. The Buyback program and Community Debate Virtuals recently announced a buy and burn program to enhance ecosystem efficiency. This involves using revenue to buy back and burn tokens, which has sparked debates on crypto Twitter about its implications. Buyback dynamics. The program aims to reduce circulating supply, potentially increasing value. However, there's discussion on whether this move might lead to sell pressure or benefit the ecosystem. Bull case. Price action. If the buyback program leads to a significant reduction in token supply, as tokens are bought back and burned, this could naturally increase the token's value, assuming demand remains constant or grows. Community engagement. Strong community support could lead to increased utility and adoption, further driving up the token's price through increased demand for AI agents. Bear case. Price volatility. The program might introduce volatility if the market perceives the buyback as a short-term gain rather than sustainable growth. Debates on value. Some community members argue that buybacks might not add intrinsic value to the ecosystem if the underlying utility or adoption doesn't keep pace. The community has been vocal on platforms like X, discussing potential scenarios where the token could either surge due to reduced supply or face a backlash if the execution or strategy is questioned. Finally, let's talk about the community support fueling Virtual's growth. Stay tuned. Conclusion. Summarizing the journey and future. We've covered a lot today, from Virtual's protocol's inception, its operational mechanics, expansion to Solana, historical ties with Bittensor, agent launching, its distinction from pump.fun, key agents, the buyback program, and the vibrant community support. This ecosystem presents both opportunities and challenges, but it's up to you to imagine where you'd like to navigate with your own first-hand research.